Hello everyone, this is another Tableau video number 5, and now I'm on another website. It's called Kaggle, and here you can find a lot of data sets just to show you what it looks like. It's a whole ton of different data sets, whatever it is, anything is possible here. You can just search anything. So I want to search something funny. So we have Tarantino. Why? Because, well, we talk about, oh, okay, cuss words and, okay. I don't even, I don't even dare to talk about this on YouTube, even though I'm not even making money for this. You can have statistics on swearing, okay? This is a whole ton of stuff. Reservoir dogs. I don't know if you watched Reservoir Dogs before. Could be something else. So far, I've already worked with multiple data sets, so I remember. So just like what I said before, you can have COVID-19. I don't wish you have it, but data sets, I mean, or something else like films. Okay, we have some how to say that, best films ever, right? Could be anything, right? Could be Disney movies, could be. Let's see if we have food here. Oh, we even have food here. I like it. Nice. Nice. I really like this. I'm hungry now. Okay. We are back to the original topic. Housing price prediction. So to save time, I already have my completed uh let me see where it is. Uh I think I have it here. Okay, let's see what it is. So it is, let's talk about data. So all the entries here, you don't need to read everything. Just read the first 20, 30 ones. You can already know what it is, right? This is each house, right? Well, we have some expensive ones. We have some bigger ones, smaller ones. I don't know how many rooms they have. And then there's something else like basement, hot water, air conditioning, parking. Pref area means preferred area. Furnishing status. Is it furnished or not? Okay, this is it. And let's look at the file type. It is called, I don't know what it is. I don't even remember it anyway. Let me see what it is. Okay, this is CSV. So, okay, here we go. Let's do this. So first, I'm gonna open a new book because as you can see in previous videos, my desktop is such a mess. So I'm gonna start a new book. Okay, book 11. Okay, let's do it. I just said text file, so you can use text file. It doesn't necessarily work. It just works this time. Maybe next time it doesn't work. I cannot know. Okay. And I think this data set is kind of well written, so I don't need to clean it. I can just use it as is. You can check this if you want, or you don't have to. Okay, go to sheet 1. So let's look at what my question requires me to do. I have to recall it. Cause I did last time. It's called, okay. Answer this question. What are the entities of the dataset? Properties. Create one visual that shows the mean, the median, and standard deviation all in one sheet. Okay, so let's do it. Price. Um, I need to know what it is. So let's not use aggregates. I still have neck pain. Anyway, let's see what we can do here. So to save your time, I already did my math just now. So for housing, we have a lot of properties, right? So we pull price here as measure values. And this time we need aggregates. So we use aggregates. We have it on board. And then we click something like average, median, and standard deviation. So we have all of them here. So it's already a whole bar here. You can also read the numbers if you want. And this looks pretty neat to me. It's already done basically. But in case you want to read the numbers, you can still read the numbers. This is 4 million something. Median is 4 million something. And standard deviation is almost 2 million. That makes sense to me. Okay? At least to me. And let's look at the requirements. Do homes in a preferred area significantly differ? Notice that this is not correct answers. You can already see my marks here. But anyway, show me a visual that show you the difference of prices according to preferred area. Okay, let's do it. We have another sheet. Now we do preferred area and price, right? So it doesn't show much. Why? Because by common sense, if it is a preferred area, you would expect the price to be higher. But now we are using aggregate values, so this is why. How come it is like not preferred area is like kind of more expensive? No, this is just because they are more numerous than the yes properties. There's just more properties on this aggregate bar. So we check this out. And right now, if I add color as well, you can already see that actually preferred area, they are already kind of more expensive. So in theory, this is correct already, but we cannot see exactly what happens here. So let's try something else. We can try to see if it can make sense in some way. Just try, like just look at what works for us, right? Okay, just to save your time, I'm back to the workbook. Let us see what we can do about this. I am moving the things, and maybe I think I don't have to add the reference lines. I can just put it here. So basically, from this, we can already see we can just add average line, and I think this is already a good answer. But another way of doing it could be something else. Let's look at this. Price. So what do I do here? It's something called create bins. So create bins, if you have some knowledge about disk partition, we also talk about bins. So just assume I do something like this. So we have bins. And preferred area, we choose the color, of course. And now we put price bins, and then the number of housing properties. So here you can see that at different uh, price level. So let me see, this is the cheapest. This one is the most expensive. And you can see that it's very consistent. Like you always have more non-preferred area properties than those that are preferred. So this is one way of doing it. We can always try something else to see if it makes sense or not. And this is only the counts, but for the property price, you can also see from this angle that basically preferred area are still more expensive. The very tall bars here, they only show that there are so many non-preferred area properties. It is just really that. Not much else to see, right? Or you can still use something like this. This is not so obvious, but you can still get the point. Like this is not very clear, you can see. So there are many permutations for a lack of wording. I think this looks really neat because further down the road you can see proportionally more and more preferred area properties. So that could suggest something. I suppose this is enough for today.